I see as content creators doing the dirty work of the Democratic Alliance. You know, they trying to badmouth the National Coloured Congress. But what they're not telling you is that since 2008, Cape Town's electricity tariffs have increased more than 300%, while inflation only rose to about 120%. And from 2028 to 2023, the city raises the water tariffs by 50%, even when the drought ended. And in 2024, the city approved an electricity tariff hike of 17.6%, while the poor families are already battling to keep the lights on. And now in 2025, they propose even more increases, while the poor stay poor and food prices go up. The DA game is over, man. Ek weet nie wat try hulle om te maak nie. The Democratic Alliance wants you to believe that they are better managers. But who are they managing for? They spend millions on consultants, while the grannies, our grannies, sit in the dark. They claim to be pro-poor, but build more tourist destinations and townships. They raise the service charges above inflation, and they tell you it's for maintenance. Yet, the infrastructure in the colored communities crumble. Wake up.